Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to approve an affiliate on Gumroad. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with gumroad.com website, log into your account, and then just click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner of the page. And here you will need to go with left hand menu, scroll to your name, click it, and then go with affiliates, click it just like so. So right here, if you already published some products of yours, you will need to go with affiliates tab, okay? And this tab will be available once you create an affiliate product, okay? So you will need to have a published product and that product affiliated. Then you can click on affiliates right here, and here you will see a list of pending affiliates requests if you have manual approval enabled. Okay, so to approve an affiliate, you will need to find the affiliate you want to approve, then just click approve next to their name or email, and optionally you can send them a welcome message with their affiliate link and marketing info. And once approved, they can start promoting your products and earning the set commission. So to manage the affiliates, like remove or block affiliates, so you can do that if necessary, and track their clicks, sales, and earned commissions in the affiliates dashboard. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.